Sick too. It was like a fat.
This looks like a original opening for like a fucking movie.
Hey guys, it's Jenni Marie Art. We're doing a vlog today. This guy in a car was staring at us and he looked really creepy.
That's like everyone on the road nowadays.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I'm not wearing shoes either.
So?
They're in the back of the car.
Yep. Wow, nice.
We're on our way to shoot a video.
Nice and trashy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
White trash.
Pretty much.
Like my neighbors. No, they're real white trash. And like, we're not even in the South.
We're not even in the South.
We're by Chicago, and I have white trash neighbors.
Stop running. Why are you running? If you get killed, it's not my fault. Watch me die first. So pretty over here.
It is. It's a little muddy.
A little. Oh my god, that's fucking crazy. Be good. There's so much mud. Ew. Ew.
I didn't make it.
Oh my god. We're gonna just like stumble upon like a satanic ritual out here. Yeah.
What do you think it means?
Suck.
It's probably just suck.
What the hell?
Dude, Alex, one of us is gonna fall and we're gonna die.
And I'm gonna get hurt. And like I'm gonna be stuck here and then someone's gonna stumble upon me and use me for a fucking satanic ritual.
But I mean...
Pineapple? It says pineapple. We got some crackheads living in the forest. Are you done?
I didn't start.
What the fuck are you doing? It was a fake Netflix and chill. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
They burnt the tree.
That kind of makes me a little uncomfortable.
What? The path's over there. Unless you want to go by that little lake over there. So, space up on the camera died, so now I have to use my phone. We found a creek. We're heading back now because we gave up on finding it. Look, there's a butterfly. Oh, look at the butterfly. Okay, so basically we're gonna go to Bachelors Grove and supposedly go to the haunted places and we're gonna go explore there. And it should be fun.
Isn't it one of the most haunted graveyards in Chicago?
Yeah. So I can't wait for that. So Jenny, how are you feeling right now? We're walking into the gravesite right now. All these old tombstones. No, did you hear the legends about this place? Where so like back in like whatever the time was, they used to put bodies on top of bodies with unmarked graves because they couldn't fit them. Because I guess this is the only graveyard. I don't know like the whole legend about it, but like this whole graveyard, there's bodies everywhere supposedly.
See, that's like from the 80s.
Yeah, here. And then this is the lake over here. Where, like, Al Capone dumped his bodies. And this is, like, infant daughter. Somebody left a Starbucks gift card. Somebody left Naruto too.
Well, are you supposed to give them sacrifice?
I don't know. Are you? Yeah, so this is where Al Capone dumped his bodies. Oh, it's a frog.
Sorry, Mr. Frog.
It's a frog.
There's one right there. Look at him. Look at it.
Look at him. But yeah, this is where he supposedly dumped his bodies.